surgery can have amazing results. At Nuffield Cosmetic Surgery, we do a full range of operations.
Okay, we're just going to show you now the dad, because you're missing this.
Your self-esteem.
It's quite bad.
We can increase the size of your
Okay, so there's
self-confidence.
the road.
We also do reductions to embarrassment.
That's a cider. That's not a field.
And because we're a hospital,
That is
we
rude.
with the same procedure.
That
Right
thing there. That's
Call
actually.
0845
That's not a field. It looks like a field. Slowed over.
Nuffield Cosmetic Surgery.
I know we go Tuchan, and I actually can't remember seeing the brew this bad last time.
And he's actually no timber road beside it as well.
Yeah, I'm only financed 6,000
You're gonna walk on the bridge.
pounds.
So it has
Okay then. Cool. Don't laugh. What?
If you get in.
Sorry?
If you get in.
Oh, what's wrong with
Smack
that?
your head on the door.
I know. That's me being used to a sneaker. I haven't got a door frame on a
Look
sneaker.
at that. That is fine. That is totally fine. That can't go down.
Which means there's floods ahead. Yeah, we are going driving on that.
See what you
got on.
Martin. Look at that. It's rushing across the road here. What's he doing?
Put my belt on.
Look.
The force a second ago actually took the car after this.
Yeah. It's gushing out there.
Hmm?
both hands for this. Because I was watching a car driving along there and the spray that was coming off of him. Again, that's not a field, that's the river. But just over from it, you can just see the field absolutely filled with water. Yeah, we're going for a drive down there now. And as you can see, it's really wet. A bit of a close-up on the field there. That's how flooded they are. That's a field. Oh, hello. Yeah, the river's come right over here. And we can't see. There's the river to the side. Not that you can see much through the window because it's now wet. Yeah. And again, this full river water. Yeah, go slow. And now, just to say, it's not raining.
That's right. Go on, catch this.
Yeah.
God.
I caught both.
Got that,
yeah, I've got that coming down there. Yeah. It is coursing out there. And again here, it's absolutely coursing out. And it's actually forcing the car over a bit, I think. Oh, this definitely will. I caught that as well. We have had a whole lot of rain. Yeah. Dad, this is for you as well. We'll show you when he comes around tonight. Are you going to go for it? We're now heading down that road there, and as you can see, there's water down here. We're going to go for it, but I'm really sceptical about this because we actually can't see where the reens are and where the road is. But Ben's insisting on going for it, so. And now I'm quite scared. And this road is totally underwater.
There were some stories that Brangie and the bunch, or the Brangie bunch, were going to be moving to London or a part of France to have this new child of theirs. Supposedly, those plans, just rumors, they are looking at a place in a small town in Texas to have this new kid. If they do settle in Texas, this will be the first Brangelina child to be born
No, don't get out.
in the United States. Pop Fiction is a new show from Ashton Kutcher and his producing partner Jason Goldberg, which essentially talks about
No? The road drops down, doesn't it? It's got a bridge to go over here. And that's the reen there. I think it could be part of the field, but I'm pretty sure it's the reen. And you see, we can't actually see the road.
It's crazy, and everyone's manipulating stories. Nobody's responsible these days.
We think there's a reen there, and it's now got extremely deep. And I really don't think we should have come down here because it's now. I don't know if you can see down there, but I think it's up to the doors. Well, it looks like it from my side. Are you sure you want to go down here, honey? Oh well, if we get a call, it's unstranded.
It's not up to the doors yet. It's not even good for the car.
Oh, that's okay. It looks deep though. You wouldn't have been able to bring your Renault down here.
With Ryan Seacrest on the entertainment.
Yeah, to the left. We have just come, I don't know if you can see, just come down there. Yeah, you can see right the way back down there. We just come through all of that. You wouldn't get a normal car down there, thank God for 4x4s.
Now we're going to go through this, which we're going to break down on now in a little bit.
Yeah, this is where we'll probably break down here. I think Snow's Road is flooded as well, so we'll see. I may not have got to there yet. That's the reen. The reen is normally about 3 foot across, so it gives you a little bit of an idea of exactly how much water you've had down here. That size of the smaller sizes of the brew. Is that about right?
It's more size than bread.
the brew when it's done is its lowest level. That's about the remit.
How much have you recorded so far?
10 minutes, 23.
Stop it there.
Yeah, how do I bring it up?
Hit the camera button again.